Hello everyone, welcome to our another episode of Venus Asks. Venus Asks is our engagement platform where we share excellent and prominent work our employees have been doing at Venus. It's a platform where employees can share how it is to work at Venus. So today we have with us Mr. Arun Sharma from Formulation and Development Department. So let's hear from him now. Hi sir, welcome to the session. So let's begin with the introduction of yours.
My name is Arun Sharma. I'm working in Formulation and Development Department of Venus Medicine Research Center at Venus Remedies Limited.
Thank you for answering that, sir. So please share your previous work experience and how it has shaped you as a working professional.
Initially, I had an opportunity to work with Mumbai-based pharma company where I had an exposure to work on different dosage forms, semi-solid, solid, liquid, parentals. There, I had also worked on different categories of drugs like oncology, hormonal products also. There, I get to learn to coordinate with the other teams of research and development to develop the product from proof of concept to the final stage to regulatory approvals.
Well, thank you for answering that, sir. So, as you mentioned that you are from Formulation and Development Department, so can you give an overview about this department?
Basically, in Formulation and Development Department, we formulate formulations by ensuring the stability and safety of the drug. Initially, we get the product list from our business development team, and then we work on the selected formulations, try to develop with respect to the regulatories. For example, the markets for which we are going to develop the product, and with respect to the pharmacopoeias. So initially, we develop by taking R&D trials, and then further after getting development from R&D to scale up to pilot, and then the product is transferred to the plant.
Thank you for answering that, sir. So, sir, how do you see the role of Formulation and Development Department evolving in the coming 5 to 10 years?
We have a strategy for pipeline products, and we are working on antimicrobial resistance also. So in the coming years, we tend to develop a complex parental facility in Venus Remedies Limited, for example, pilot facility. And then we are in progress to work on antimicrobial resistance program. There we have 2-3 research molecules in the pipeline. And for one product, we are at the stage of clinical trials. Hopefully, we will get the results soon. And in the coming years, you will be able to see the products coming from Venus Remedies Limited, which will help the world to fight against AMR.
So, sir, since you have completed 5 years at Venus, so how would you describe your overall journey?
After joining Venus Remedies Limited, I was impressed by the working culture here with respect to the other department and collaboration between the departments. Here in Venus, I had worked on different drug molecules like generic products. In generic products, we have 21 generic products under our pipeline, which we will develop in the coming years. And then with respect to the AMR, we have 2-3 research molecules going on under that category. So these experiences helped me grow professionally.
So, sir, as you mentioned previously about AMR, that is antimicrobial resistance. So, what Venus is doing in that perspective?
Antimicrobial resistance is a global concern right now, in which the microorganisms tend to develop a resistance towards the already present antibiotics in the market. And here in Venus, we are developing formulation. We are working on the existing formulation, try to develop them in a way so that the resistance can be overcome. And hopefully, we will be able to develop such formulations in the coming years.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Sir, as you must be aware that every department in this organization, they have a mission 2025 assigned. So, what is your department's mission?
Our two main missions for FND till 2025 are to develop 21 generic molecules, which we have in our pipeline. And we are developing 5 products a year. So, hopefully, we will achieve the target by developing them by the end of 2025. And in another mission, we have pipeline products in which we will develop the formulations which will help to fight against the AMR. We are at clinical level for one such project, and hopefully we will develop in the coming years, and the next pipeline products are at R&D scale. So we are working on the same also.
Thank you for answering that and explaining this in such a short manner. At last, any message to the audience from your side?
Venus is a very good company. If there's somebody out there who's looking for research and development aspect, so come to Venus and you will learn a lot.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for sparing out some time from your busy schedule. So we will be back with another episode of Venus Asked, where employees will be sharing how it is to work at Venus, which is a great place to work. Thank you.